Motorbike insurance versus commuter versus track day versus off-road versus short term. Which one is better for everyday and hobby riders? Riding a motorbike is thrilling, but choosing the right insurance can be confusing. Most riders get this wrong by picking a policy based only on price. The surprising truth is that commuter, track day, off-road and short-term insurance each cater to very different needs depending on how and where you ride. Commuter insurance is ideal for daily riders who use their bike to get to work or run errands. It covers road accidents, theft and damage while your bike is parked, ensuring reliable protection for everyday use. Track day insurance is designed for enthusiasts who take their bikes to racing circuits. Regular policies often exclude this, so specialized cover protects against accidents and damage while riding at high speed on a track. It's perfect for hobbyists who push their bikes beyond regular road use. Off-road insurance covers dirt bikes, motocross, and trail bikes. These bikes face different risks like collisions on uneven terrain, which standard road policies don't cover. This insurance ensures you're protected while enjoying off-road adventures. Short-term insurance is flexible, perfect for seasonal riders or those borrowing a bike. It can be purchased for just a day, a week, or a month, giving temporary cover without committing to a full-year policy. So, which is better for everyday and hobby riders? Commuter insurance suits daily riders, while hobbyists benefit from track day or off-road coverage depending on their activity. Short-term insurance is perfect for occasional or seasonal use. The key takeaway is that the best policy depends on how, where, and how often you ride. Understanding the specific risks of each riding style allows you to choose insurance that keeps you protected without overpaying, giving peace of mind to enjoy every ride safely.